Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working issues on Discord. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Discord application and you are connected with a Bluetooth device, but you are not able to hear any audio from it, then there are a few things to check first of all. The first thing to check is whether you are connected to the Bluetooth audio device on your phone or not. So make sure that you are connected to your device first by turning on your Bluetooth and connecting to your Bluetooth audio device. If this is the issue firsthand, then this will solve your issue after all. But if this still doesn't work and you are connected to your device, but your Bluetooth audio is still not working, then search for the Discord application on the iOS App Store or the Android Google Play Store depending on your device, and see if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on it to install the latest updates and then wait for a while until the installation is complete. Once it is done and you see the open button once again, you can tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If the update still doesn't fix your problem, then open up the Discord application and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now from the menu page, tap on your profile at the bottom right and then scroll down and you will find the voice section. Go ahead and tap on voice, and now you will see all of the audio settings that are available for your output device. Within your output settings, you will find your Bluetooth sound device, and this is the audio set up for your output volume. You can go ahead and turn this knob to the left or right to set up your output volume for your Bluetooth audio device and see if this works. You can also change all of the various volume settings and also vocal processing settings for your microphone as well as Bluetooth device. From this screen, you can fix all of your Bluetooth audio issues. And now your Bluetooth device and its audio should be working just fine with Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.